Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 22 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the multi-bit handle. Now let's see what's behind number 22 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the number 2 Phillips bit. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 23. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.